In this video, we'll learn about the most powerful feature of WebTriggers. This is a trigger based on a keyword search. As an example, we'll look at an Amazon web page. This is a web page for a Schwinn 20-inch folding bike, and we want to see or want to be notified when the price of the bike changes. What we notice right away is there are a lot of different prices on this web page. You can see that the values here, and there are also multiple instances of the same price. So you can see over here it says buy new to the $215.99, and here price $215.99. So we need some way of looking at a specific price that we want to see if it changes. So let's see how we can use a keyword search in WebTriggers. So the first thing we'll do is we'll log into WebTriggers. We're going to add a trigger. We'll go to the URL, grab the URL, copy it, and we're going to do this every hour for a week, and we're going to call it Schwinn Amazon keyword. And we'll add the trigger. So we add the trigger just like any normal or simple trigger. You can see it's still getting the page. And it's important not to hit the back button here and allow WebTriggers to go out and get the page. Once it receives the page, we'll be directed back to the home screen. Still working. And there we go. WebTriggers got the page. Now we can go take a look at the page. And there it is. It's always a good idea to make sure that it got the page that you were expecting. Now, as I mentioned, the problem is there are so many different prices. You can see buy used, and you can see that there are many instances of the same price. The $215.99 is there, and it's also here. So how do we find the exact location that we want to trigger on? Well, we have this parse text, so we know we want the $215.99. So we search on that, it brings us back, and now WebTriggers has this handy line number search, so we can see that's one location. And if we compare that to our page, you can see it's price and details and in stock. So that looks like the right spot. If we look at something different, you can see that's a different location. And that's a different location. So we want to trigger on this particular keyword. So we grab price along with the actual value, and we go down here and we insert it in the keyword search, and then we say edit trigger, and there we go. So now it's set up to look for a change where the keyword is price colon and the dollar amount. So that's how we set up a keyword search trigger. Thanks for watching.